Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner in Austin here, and today I'm going to be saluting on BobBurger2018. Enjoy the video. BobBurger2018. Wow, this user rocks. And this user makes great videos. Subscribe to this user, guys. Subscribe to this user. He also makes videos that says, what do you think of this movie or show? He also made a video of, he also makes some singing toy videos. He also make a video of this dandy 4th of July eagle. Maybe the eagle is made by 2019 or 2018. Maybe both. Here are some videos that says, what do you think of this show? He also made rant and salute videos. He made a rant on Annoying Orange. And he also made a rant on Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. And he also made a rant on Caillou. I really love Caillou the show. I really love Caillou, but I respect his opinion on that show. He also made a salute on Disney. And he also made a salute on the Muppet Show. I really love the Muppet Show. I really love that show. He also made a rant on Johnny Test. He also made a rant on Handy Mandy. And he also made a salute on Friends. Yep, he also makes singing toy videos like this one. The storytelling bear. The singing bunny. This one's cheeks light up too. I really love that video. That video is awesome. This video is called A Pig Who Does Not Like Being Recorded. And he also made a singing pig. He made a Mills singing swaying pig. I think the pig is made by Coins Company. Yep, so BobBurger2018 is amazing. He is a amazing YouTuber. Subscribe to this user. Yep, he makes great videos. Do you know who likes this user? Me and all of the other singing toy fans. And I don't know who hates this user. So BobBurger2018 rocks. And so does Singing Toy Fan, Vicky Prince, and the UTTP users suck. End of salute. If you have any requests about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me. Yep, have a great day, guys. Yep, have a great day.